All right, what's going on, guys? Chermane here. We're going to do a trade breakdown. Okay, Chermane's model. I did paper trade this morning. So right away on the daily chart, this is today's trading here. We have an old new day opening gap. So between this candle's close on the daily chart and that candle's open, that is your new day opening gap. Right click on your chart, make sure that is checked off to get the right new day opening gap if you're drawing it on the daily chart. And right away, let's just get straight to the business. 15-minute chart, you can see the new day opening gap being used as resistance, the body staying inside of it. Let's go straight to a 1-minute chart. Here we go. This is going to be real brief, real to the point. So 9:30 to 10 o'clock, okay, that is your opening range. That's what I'm outlining here in orange. And then your 10 o'clock to 11:30, okay, that's what you're seeing in gray. I do not trade the opening range. Okay, I don't trade the first 30 minutes. I let everybody else get chopped up. Okay, I let that first 30 minutes of trading go on without me. We have SMT here. Okay, but before we get to that, notice what we do at the open. We open here at 9:30, and what do? We immediately trade higher. What is everybody going to do? They're going to chase this move going higher. That is a Judas swing. I don't care about that move going higher. I'm not interested in buying it. All that's doing is enticing traders to chase it going long. But where's our opening prices? 8:30 opening price, midnight opening price. Okay, if we're trading up here way above these two opening prices, Chermane's model states we are only looking for shorts. Okay, if you're not familiar with Chermane's model, okay, I made a video on that on my channel. Okay, just scroll through, search Chermane's model, or go on my Twitter. Okay, I post about the model all the time. But we are not looking for longs here if you're trading this model simply because we're in a deep premium, okay, relative to our opening prices. Now, we open at 9:30, trade higher. Everybody's chasing it. Where are they putting their stop losses? Underneath these equal lows here, underneath this low here, underneath this low here. Okay, they all get chopped up. In my opinion, yes, we traded beneath this low, but this is a little shallow, so I'm seeing these as relatively equal. Okay, we trade up. Now, once we hit 10 o'clock, that starts the time window to look for a setup. Your eyes and your thought process should immediately go, where's our opening prices? Okay, we're above both the 8:30 and midnight open. We're not just above the midnight open, we're above both. That is a rich premium. We are really expensive on the day. I'm looking for shorts. I have SMT labeled here with ES, so if we switch tabs, notice how NASDAQ made a higher high. And look at S&P, lower high. So we have SMT there in the time window that we're looking for a setup. And we're also in that 950 to 1010 macro. We break down, consolidate, working the low, the new day opening gap, break down again. That is a breakaway gap. Why is it a breakaway gap? We consolidate, we stall around, hit consequent encroachment of the new day opening gap, and then aggressively take out a short-term low. If we're bearish, if we're heavy, I want to see this fair value gap stay open. I don't want to see that traded to, okay? Fair value gap here. Make sure you include the volume imbalances. Okay, you will not get this entry if you draw your fair value gap like this. Okay, you wouldn't get that fill. Include the small little volume imbalances here as well, and you'll get that fill. All right, so breakaway gap, expecting that to stay open, and our model is Chermane's model. We're only looking for shorts, looking to take a partial at sell side, and leave a small runner for the midnight open. Take bulk off at the sell side, leave a small partial. That's your short, partial, leave a small position for the midnight runner. Do we get it? Nope, no big deal. That's over 80 handles right there. For some of you guys, that's all you need. I'm content with that. Almost 100 handles in profit. I don't even need the midnight open, okay? Let's turn this on. Entry, okay, again, this is paper. I'm live streaming in Discord on the 6th. I'm not trading my account till then. Paper, shorting the fair value gap, okay. Try to time it as it was stabbing up into it. Not a bad fill. Partial here, okay, notice I short 2. Take 1 off at the sell side. That's what the model states. Pay yourself before we reach the midnight open. And I'm leaving the last contract on, obviously, for the midnight open. And it gets stopped in profit. That right there is nearly a 100 handle move going short, and that's all you need, and you could be done for the week with that. Or if you're a turtle soup kind of trader, you can short above this high, trusting that the new day opening gap will be used as resistance. And if you're keeping in mind that we're above both these opening prices, you can trust that turtle soup. Okay, I'm sure you have an hourly 4-hour key level up here. We're not just trading to a random level. Take it lower and you can get a better entry here and capture more of that short. Not interested if you're trading Chermane's model. Can you trade and capture this stuff going long? Absolutely. But if you're trading Chermane's model, okay, the model that I will primarily be using in 2025 in the live streams and whatnot, this is what I'm looking for, and I'm done for the day. This small minor consolidation before going higher, my charts would be closed by then. This is what I want to capture. This is what I'm looking for each day. All right, and preferably best case scenario, we reach the midnight open. And in my opinion, all this sell side is just too smooth, but we were denied that, no big deal. So I'm gonna insert a clip. I didn't record my screen in time, so I'll just add a short little clip here of me taking a partial. Okay, the footage starts about right here, a couple of minutes after my entry, and you see me taking a partial at the sell side, and I have my other buy limit, my take profit for the midnight open, and then it gets stopped in profit. So you can watch that if you want. I'm about to insert it right now. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this trade breakdown. I'm about to roll that footage out. Discord members, we're back live trading Monday, man. We're back January 6th, pressing buttons, live streaming, making money. And it's going to be a great year in 2025 for those who aren't in the Discord already. Get in there, okay? Link is in the top of the description if you want to join and check that out. Love y'all, man. I'm going to play this footage for y'all, and I'll see y'all in the market Monday, January 6th. All right? Peace.